everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper crown. First, you get a piece of yellow construction paper just like this. And then you crease it right here on the side to make it folded like this. And you can draw this pattern on either side. I drew this earlier. And then once you have this, you can decorate it. So you can get any color you want. There's lots of different colors you could use. So and you have to do a pattern of colors. So I'm going to draw a triangle right here, and it's going to be blue. And then you color that in, and that's one of your jewels. And next, you can do another color. For this, I'm going to use like a lightish purple color. This is going to be a circle. But on yellow paper, it sort of turns out a bit gray, so maybe you shouldn't use purple, but it doesn't really matter. And next, I'm going to need to use this turquoisey cyan color. And so, for my last shape, I'm going to use a heart. So, let's draw a heart right here and color it in. And now, you do the pattern again. So I did a blue triangle first. And then you're gonna have to have the same pattern on the other side. So now you've seen me color these shapes. Now I'm gonna color the next shape. And the next step is put the cap back on the marker. And then you cut out your pattern, or like crown, whatever. So cut it out like this. And it doesn't matter if your cutting's not perfect. You can always ask a parent for help or redo it whenever you want. It doesn't matter. Okay, almost done with this. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now that you've done that, you're going to tape. You're gonna tape your two crown things together. So if you want to, you can pause the video right here and go get some tape if you don't already have tape. But if you do already have tape, just take a piece off and get your other one. And you can leave the other side blank if you want, or leave it like that. But I'm going to color this and make the rest of the jewels on the other side of the crown and color it in. And if you're a bit little, you can ask a parent to help you do your crown. This is the purple circle. Color it in. Okay. Now you're done with that. Now you can tape it. So remember, take a piece of tape off your tape and get your other side of the crown and put them like this, and then get your tape and put the tape on that space so they'll stick together just like this. And do the same for the other side. And if you need to, you can go ask a parent to, like put the crown around your head to see what size you need. And remember, do the same thing for the other side. So, piece of tape here. And get the other side. Put it on like this. And then, there you go. You've got a crown. And if it doesn't fit you, it's okay. You can still use it. And now this might be a good place to stop the video. So, goodbye everybody. I hope I see you again time soon.